Hello, I'm Duncan. I'm one of the co-founders at Woodsworth Exploring, and I'm here to talk to you today about the fire options. The first thing to be aware of is that we are trying to build the ecology within our woodland, and for that reason we don't allow the burning of any of the deadwood. The deadwood's really valuable to us. It helps us build habitats and food sources for the animals here, so we leave everything that falls down in the woodland to stay here and rot down. If you do want to cook, there's a few options available to you. You can use gas stoves or fires. If you're using anything where you can turn the flame off, that's fine, you can just bring it and use it. If you're using anything that's got a flame where you can't turn it off, it needs to be put out, that's something that you need a fire permit for. The fire permit covers things like use of a fire pit, water to make sure it's put out, our time to make sure it's safe with you, and also some insurance to make sure that the site's covered for fires. If you want to go a step further than that, then you can choose to buy the full fire kit. So the fire kit involves a permit, and it's also got 9 kilos of wood, some kindling, a fire lighter, and still obviously the use of all the equipment that's on the site. If you did want to cook on the open fire, that's fine. We've got grills knocking around, a bit like this. We don't guarantee them on every pitch. There's a good few around the woodland, but if you want to grab one of those you can do, or you can bring a grill with you.